If your setup is almost smart but still annoys you every day, slow apps, unreliable Wi-Fi, messy power zones, this list is built to fix friction, not add new headaches. We're hitting upgrades you can feel immediately, plus a few foundations that make everything else behave. Welcome to Circuit Peek. Peek into what's next. The TREATLIFE Smart Light Bulbs 4-pack is the fastest smart room upgrade. Swap the bulbs, hop on 2.4 gig Wi-Fi, and suddenly you can dim, schedule, and tune white from cozy bedtime warm to bright work mode. The on-camera payoff is instant. Slide the brightness, then trigger a sunset schedule so a lamp turns on by itself. The big rule? Leave the wall switch on and control in-app or voice. For filming backdrops or winding down, these hit hard. The Philips Hue Bridge is the quiet backbone that makes Hue lighting behave like a single system. It moves control off busy Wi-Fi roulette and into reliable automations. Scenes trigger on time, and multiple lights respond together with less lag. The best demo is pairing, then tapping one scene and watching several lights change in sync. Yes, it's an extra box, but it's the box that makes Hue feel like a pro install and scales cleanly with dimmers or motion sensors later. The Kasa Smart Plug Power Strip HS300 turns a desk or TV stand cable jungle into labeled zones. Each outlet is independently controllable, so you can schedule a lamp, kill standby power, or reboot a router remotely without crawling behind furniture. On camera, plug in 3 devices, rename outlets, then tap them off one by one to show real control. Setup tip: it likes 2.4 gig Wi-Fi, and naming matters so you don't shut off the wrong device at night. The SwitchBot Hub Mini is the Make Dumb Devices Smart shortcut. It learns IR remotes, TVs, window AC units, fans, heaters, then lets you trigger them from your phone or with voice. The demo is satisfying. Teach one command, then fire it hands-free and watch the device respond instantly. Placement matters because IR needs line-of-sight coverage, so aim it like a remote would. If you rent or can't replace hardware, this is a high-leverage bridge you can set up in minutes. The roborock Q Revo gives you time back with vacuum plus mop automation. It maps, cleans, then returns to a dock that reduces babysitting by emptying and handling water duties. The on-camera arc is easy. Scatter crumbs, start a clean, show an edge pass, then jump cut to docking and the after reveal. It's a premium buy, and you'll still do occasional deep cleans. But for daily resets, especially with pets and post-dinner mess, it's close to set and forget. The Amazon eero Max 7 is built for Wi-Fi 7 capacity and low latency when your home is packed with devices. You get multi-gig Ethernet for fast wired backbones and mesh coverage that stays stable under load. The creator payoff is fewer dropouts when streaming, gaming, or demoing smart gear live. It also supports modern smart home protocols, so adding devices later is cleaner. The trade-off is cost and optional subscriptions, but the stability upgrade can make everything else feel fixed. The Roku Ultra is the easiest new TV upgrade without buying a new TV. A dedicated streamer loads faster, stays updated, and switches apps smoothly, so demos don't derail with crashes or spinning wheels. The clean comparison shot is simple. Show a sluggish built-in app launch, then repeat on Roku and time the difference. It's another HDMI device, sure, but for households that hate lag, it's a consistency upgrade you feel every day, especially when you jump between apps. The Ring Battery Doorbell gives you front door awareness without wiring. Mounted, connected, and you get motion alerts, package checks, and two-way talk from your phone without opening the door. The best test is speed. Trigger motion outside, watch the notification pop, then jump into live view and speak through it. Battery devices need recharging, and performance depends on Wi-Fi and placement. So pair it with a solid network. You can also review events later. Done right, it's who's there solved. Quick reset. If smart tech ever turned into a weekly troubleshooting hobby, this list is about clean wins, not complicated projects. What would you like to see in the next smart tech video? Smart home, desk setup, phone accessories, or something totally different? The Schlage Encode Plus is the clean upgrade if you're done with spare keys and awkward handoffs. You get keypad codes plus phone access, so you can create temporary codes for guests or cleaners, then revoke them instantly. Enter a code, unlock by phone. Create a guest code, test it, then delete it and show it fails. Install takes longer than a basic deadbolt, and alignment matters. But the payoff is control, tracking, and peace of mind, especially for guests or service visits. The Eufy Security Indoor Cam S350 brings clarity plus reach for indoor monitoring. You get a 4K wide view and a telephoto lens that combines for up to 8 times hybrid zoom, so you can see detail instead of guessing. Add 360-degree pan and tilt, night vision, and AI tracking that can follow motion across the room. The demo sells itself. Pan the space, zoom in on a target, then walk across frame and show tracking. Plug it in and you're set. The Govee water leak detectors is cheap insurance with an "I can't believe that worked" payoff. Drop these sensors under a sink, near a water heater, or behind a toilet, and they scream the moment water shows up. The on-camera demo is perfect. A few drops, instant alarm, no explaining needed. This is the expectation break. The simplest gadget can prevent the biggest headache. Test placement where water will pool first, and treat batteries like a calendar routine, so protection never quietly expires. The Aqara door and window sensor P2 is the foundation for automations that feel natural. It uses Matter, which helps modern ecosystems play nicer without locking you into one brand. The win is reactions. Lights on when a door opens, a C off if a window is left open, or a chime when something moves. Demo it by showing open/closed state live, then triggering one automation and a left open notification. Pair carefully and name it clearly so automations stay readable. The SwitchBot automatic curtain opener turns curtains into a routine without replacing blinds. Mount it on your rod, calibrate the range, then schedule daylight in the morning, privacy at night, or a one-tap movie mode. The demo is 3 seconds of magic. Tap open, curtains glide. Set a schedule, and it happens hands-free. Fit matters. Rod or track style can make or break it, and calibration takes a few minutes. Once dialed in, it's a daily routine you genuinely notice. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is one of the few upgrades that can improve comfort and reduce waste at the same time. It lets you build schedules, manage away modes, and monitor trends so you're not constantly fiddling. The best demo is guided setup, then a remote temperature change to show real control. The payoff is fewer hot/cold swings and better consistency across the day. Wiring and HVAC compatibility vary, so check first. When it fits, it feels like your home got smarter overnight. The Blueair Bluepure 511 iMax helps keep a room fresher without becoming noisy or complicated. It's built for fast cleaning with low noise, and the app makes scheduling and filter tracking straightforward. On camera, show night mode staying quiet, then the air quality indicator reacting after cooking or dusting. It's especially useful with pets, smoke, or seasonal allergens. Keep filters on schedule and let it run in the background. The payoff is cleaner feeling air with almost zero daily effort. Quick recap: lighting, control hubs, clean power zones, automations, security, and comfort routines, all aimed at reducing daily friction. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment with the one upgrade you'd do first, and why. Affiliate links are below if you want to support the channel. Peek into what's next. Want to see more? Check out the video on the left, or check out the Smart Tech Products playlist on the right.